Time to chat with Craig from Cousins. It's our December show. I'm struggling, Craig, because I got to go Christmas shopping. I'm stuttering. I'm weak in the knees. I don't want to spend a whole pile of money. You and I both got to get the families ready for Christmas. How the heck are you?
I'm doing great, thanks, Dave. We're moving forward, and we're really excited about the announcement of our random act of kindness coming to the end and
Oh,
the results.
yes. Yeah, let's go. Let's hear it.
So we finished off as a let's. I'll just recap real quick. So from October 10th to November 10th, $50 from every installation we are going to donate to the women's shelter. So we have $1,300 that we are donating to the women's shelter. And on top of that, we have had a very, very gracious homeowner who gave us an additional $50 out of their wallet to put towards this cause. So we have $1,350, and that customer asked to remain anonymous. But the fact that we got to see the support from the community on top of everything we're doing is yeah, it's incredible.
$1,350. That's great to help the shelter. I love it.
Mhm.
I got to talk to you a little bit more about this. I want to just expand because this is something you did for a long time in many different forms, and congratulations on that. Because for a business your size to do this, it's important to you. That's who you are, isn't it? That's why you want to help.
Absolutely, and thank you, Dave. I really appreciate that. Yeah, when I took over ownership here, I used to do it at my previous position, but now as the owner, I felt it like a responsibility, especially being with a local company and saying thank you to the community. I mean, the past couple of years, we've had some phenomenal customers who have helped us to do this program to really guide us to somebody that really truly was in need. So it's just a way to say thank you back to the community for supporting this business, for keeping our doors open and our lights on, and keeping our wheels moving. And just so a simple way that we could give back to say thank you.
$1,300, $1,350 to the shelter. I love it. It's excellent. Um, Got to talk to you a little bit. I wanted to ask you a bit about your loyalty program. I know we're getting off the subject a little bit, but it's really important to you, and that sort of falls in with this act of kindness. You're always going a step above. Talk a little bit about that because that's something you guys have sort of built into your system, correct?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, we have a loyalty program or a maintenance program, however you want to describe it. It comes with a variety of different benefits, and really what it's about is giving peace of mind to our existing customers. Not only do you save money by doing this plan, but you get additional benefits. And the way I mean you save is that if you were to pay us for maintenance, it'd be $149.99 for a furnace. Whereas on this plan, it's $10 a month, so you save $30. Plus, you get your annual maintenance. Plus, you get a 90-day diagnostic warranty. You get no after-hours fees. So if I got to come out and see you at 8 o'clock on a Tuesday or on a Saturday, and it's Thanksgiving, you pay a regular rate that you would at 10 o'clock on a Tuesday in the morning. So there's no additional cost there. You get your 5% off any new equipment, 15% off any repairs that is not covered under warranty. And with that, you are one of our priority customers, which means we do offer you 24-hour service.
I didn't know that you did that with the loyalty program. So if my furnace breaks down on a Tuesday night, it's going to cost me just regular price. I'm not paying time and a half or something ridiculous, right? For a tech to come out, right?
Correct. And that's
Wow.
as long as your equipment isn't under warranty. If it's under warranty, then there wouldn't be any fees.
Oh,
If you
there
have
you
a
go.
parts and labor warranty, there'd be just simply a diagnostic fee. But outside of that, yeah, if it's something, that is, say, 14 years old and it's just outside the warranty period, you would pay the exact same rate as a, noon call on a Wednesday. And that's part of being our program, and that's part of our way of, again, saying thank you to the community for supporting us, and by offering them the peace of mind with their HVAC equipment. As we're spending more and more time in our homes these days, the mechanical side of our houses is becoming more of a vital piece. And this is just a way that you can say, hey, you know what? For $10 a month, I don't got to worry about nothing.
Yeah,
And
it's
Cousins has
peace of
got my
mind.
back, and they're a local
Yeah.
company. You're not calling some telemarketer spot. You're not calling some place outside the city. It's us. We're local, and you can walk in our doors or call us anytime.
That's awesome. I really appreciate that. Heat pumps, you were really giving it to me last month, talking about all the different stuff in that. How long does that program go, and can people still get involved with it?
Yeah, actually, thanks for asking, Dave, because this is just new. We hot off the press. The program has been announced that the end date is March 31st, 2024. So it is coming. I mean, it's I am encouraging people to really look into it if it's something you're interested in, because there's good money on the table. You can get up to $6,500 back to cover, a whole new HVAC system or a heat pump, and that's big money. But if you have not had the program, the first energy audit completed and the installation by March 31st, 2024, you're out of luck. Our government made the announcement Friday of last week, and they're looking at switching funding over to new construction, which we're a little surprised at, simply because there's so many more existing houses that we thought, they would focus on continuing to make them more energy efficient. But yes, anybody who owns a home, this is a phenomenal opportunity to get a top of the line system with top warranties and get a very significant rebate back.
Am I correct in assuming you do the audits as well?
We don't do the audits directly.
Okay.
It has to be a government, but what we do is we help connect you two together. We try and streamline it and make it as simple and as straightforward as possible for you. And we don't proceed with anything from our quotes or our offering until after you've had that audit, pardon me, so that you can have the peace of mind and know that you're guaranteed you're going to get it. You've passed everything. You've jumped all the hoops. Yep, you're getting it. Now we move forward so that before you invest any dollars with us that you're going to get that rebate check back.
So basically, from step one on, you guys help. You guys
absolutely
are and see you or Deb, and we'll get you started, get the audit done.
Yep.
And like you said, March 31st is coming up quick, folks. You got 4 months. Get
it
done.
Is, and until you sign those final paperwork after the audit, there's no cost to you and there's no obligation. It's Perfect. Just part of what we offer. So, it's we're here to help.
I got to take this time too. I want to give you the opportunity because it is the December show. The next time we talk, you'll be January. We'll be up to whatever in the snow. But opportunity to thank your customers, man, and your staff. I know you guys do a great job. They work hard. It's been a long year, so take that moment.
Well, thank you very much. And yeah, I have the utmost respect for my crew, the staff here, and the way that they have transitioned and developed. We've brought in some new tools to try and help them make the process even seamless for the customer. And with the change in technology, sometimes it's a little, it can throw people off. But my crew has been amazing. They've embraced it, and they've done everything they can just to make sure that they're efficient, but also the customers feel safe by doing things. My guys now, when they're going to a service call, they hit a button on their tablet, and it will send a message to the homeowner. Nick is on his way, and here's a picture of Nick. So when he arrives in the cousin's vehicle, you know who it is that's coming, you know his name, and you've seen his face to give them that peace of mind. And that's where, continuing with that, the response we've got from the customers and the continued support from the community in using us is just, there's nothing short of a massive thank you that I can't say. I was the genius that bought a business 6 months before COVID hit, and the fact that my doors are still open and we're here and able to support you guys is a real blessing. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and thank you from my family to all of yours.
That's excellent. And and when you said that too about the innovation of sort of the technology piece, can you imagine me and you 30 years ago?
No,
we're just knocking on doors.
Absolutely, yeah. I got a little badge on my shirt here. Yeah, this is who I am. Yeah.
Boy, times sure have changed.
They really have, and I think that's with everything today, if we can give our customers just that little bit of security and peace of mind by having that open line of communication, I think it's more than worth it, because I know my family, when we're looking for services, it means a lot to us as well too.
Thanks for doing this, Craig. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you and your family. Take care and have a great holiday. Okay.
Thanks so much, Dave. Same to you and all yours.